Vladimir and Fenol The Great.
Welcome into our space
Beautiful
in the here and now,
nature.
this present moment.
The nature is within you.
You are nature.
What is your nature? What do you grow in your nature? Or what grow in your nature?
What is going on within you?
Are you growing panic, stress, anxiety? Nature, you can see nature. In nature, there is no anxiety, there's no stress. Trees, blossom, flowers, blossom. It's beautiful in nature. When you're in nature, you can feel the difference.
The birds are singing. The animals are mating. The planet are dying, and they are giving birth
Yes,
to different species and different creatures. Who knows?
yes. The coronavirus. Talking about self-isolation and how contagious is the coronavirus right now. We have a big politician going into self-isolation to prevent the spread of the virus, and it keeps affecting a lot of people. So, what is the self-isolation?
So the question should be more like, what are you doing to
Okay.
help prevent the spread of the virus?
Yeah.
So are you putting yourself into a state of self-isolation where you choose and decide consciously to put yourself in a position of responsibility of what is happening, to make sure that you play your part as a human being and as a spirit, to make sure that the virus doesn't go past.
Somebody else.
Yeah.
Yes. So the self-isolation, the protection, the cautions that you have to take, that's the first step. Okay, you can be very cautious. You can take all the precautions not to spread the virus to other people who are not yet contaminated by any virus, and that's the first step. So now, how you're gonna focus on you, because the priority should be you. The priority should be how you're gonna be healthy again, how you're gonna be well, how you're gonna go back with a full strength, and if another virus hit, and you'll be ready, physically, emotionally,
That's right.
spiritually, and all the way to be strong. Especially the people in power, the people who are taking care of others that are sick. These people, they need special attention, huh? And you need to take special care.
That's right. In this moment, maybe you're worrying about what might happen to you or to your loved one. It is time to decide what you're going to do to make sure that you are ready, you are fit, and your immune system is protected against any type of viruses, not just this one. What are you doing? So it says that the battery is going low, but it's okay. We're going to finish the video anyways, and then we're going to charge the camera. So yeah, so what are you doing right now to prevent the virus from spreading around? Are you drinking your tea? Are you eating the fruits and the vegetables? Are you alkalining the body to make sure the body is
Yes,
as strong?
yes. This virus is coming from the universe, and the cure of the virus is in the universe. You're not gonna find the cure of the virus somewhere else. The cure is here. And you know what? The cure of the virus it's closer than you think.
Only you can bring an end to the virus.
Because the virus is within I. And you can find the cure.
Yes. Not out there.
Namaste.
Namaste. Let it.
Connect to I.
You are the cure you're looking for.
Namaste, my friend.